Keep your firearms safe. If you own firearms and have children, you need to have a safe. Today, I'm going to teach you how to install a safe in your closet. Well, I'm Jay. This is Jay's how-to channel. Let's get to it right now. Okay, we're placing the safe against the wall and now marking the baseboard and sliding the safe out of the way. Now I'm removing the baseboard. We're going to speed this up for you guys. And we're going to set this aside for later use. Okay, and we're coming back in with the safe. We're going to do the, we're going to drill these holes and get these lag bolts in the back two corners. This is to compress the carpet so that we can get the holes in the back of the safe to line up with the wall. So here we go, marking the wall. And of course I've got the carpet compressed. And now we're taking the lag bolts out. And now sliding the safe out of the way. So we're going to drill some holes here in the wall, and we're going to come in with some wall anchors. Now I've got some heavy-duty anchors that I got from Amazon. I'll provide an affiliate link for you guys in the description below this video. These are super heavy-duty. They're going to slide in and clip with, yeah, just like this. And then we can bring the safe back in and reattach the bolts. And these are 3/16 inch bolts that attach to these anchors. If you want to use lag bolts in the wall, you can use a stud finder or a strong magnet to find the screws in the wall, and then you can attach the lag bolts to the stud in the wall. Now I'm tightening these lag bolts down just to get these holes lined up with the wall. And now tightening the 3/16 bolts to the wall. And now coming in with two more lag bolts, in the floor. If you want to use the safe in the basement with a concrete floor, you can use lag bolts with lead expanders. Yeah, and then we've got this all tightened down. Cleaning this all up right now. And coming in with some felt. Okay, coming back with the baseboard. Cutting through this. And we're coming back into the closet, and I'm just going to glue this to attach it. Yeah, if I nail it, I think the baseboard might split. So here we go. And it's very solid. Yeah, look how good. Now loading my rifle into the safe to keep your firearms safe. Press that like button for me if you enjoyed this video, and consider subscribing. Thanks everybody, I appreciate you.